Hey guys, so I told you that I was going to film me getting the axolotl in, and he just came in, so this isn't going to be like a very detailed, long, professional video. I'm just going to do it real fast so I can get him out and get him in the tank. I don't know if he's alive, so I guess we will find out because he came in a pretty small box, but hopes are high. I'm not going to show you the top of the box because my address and all that information is on there, but the box is still sealed. So once I get it opened up and the address isn't flying everywhere, I will show you guys the box. So here we have it. I did just cut it open. So now we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so first off, we have a little note from the breeder. They are northern axolotls. They are in Anchorage. So if you guys want to look them up, they do have a website. Okay, here's the top. It's just packed with styrofoam on the top. It looks like it's completely around the axolotl itself. And oh look, they also sent me some extras because I forgot to use their discount code. So here we have some pellets that I can feed them. Got some stickers. This is all a bunch of newspaper. I see him and he is moving, so he is alive. Before I show him to you guys, he is a GFP copper, which means he will glow in black light, and I think that's awesome. I think I paid like $5 more for GFP, but they had regular ones as well. Here he is. He is so tiny, he has to be about 2 inches. Like, he's a baby. I don't know if you can see him swimming around in there. He's right on my left side. There he is swimming around right there. The copper ones are a little bit more of a rare color. You typically don't see these ones as much as you see like the Lucy's and the golden albinos in the wilds. You'll be able to see him better once I get him in a tub so I can start acclimating him to his new tank water. So here he is right here. The little floaters in the water is from the bag that he came in, but it's a way better shot of him. Hi, bud. And I'm just calling him a him because I don't know his gender yet. He's looking up at me. How cute. He is tiny. Like, you can't really tell from this, but he is maybe about 2 inches. So he's a baby. Oh! So I'm just going to take this turkey baster right here, and I have a cup of his tank water that I'm just going to slowly turkey baste the tank water into that so he can slowly acclimate without him going into shock. And then after maybe about an hour, just to be safe, I will put him in the smaller side of the 60-gallon, and then he will be set to go. So here's the little guy in the tank, all safe and sound, eating. I'm going to fatten him up as soon as I can and make sure he grows really fast, which he should since I'm feeding him his bloodworms. But that is him. I will also be keeping you guys updated on his growth, how he's doing and everything, and hopefully soon I'm going to get a black light to where you can see his GFP glowing along with Jupiter's, because Jupiter's spots glow. So you will be seeing more of him. So that is it for today. It was just like a quick little unboxing, getting him in the tank type of thing. But like I said, I will keep you guys updated on him and the other axolotls. And I will be doing more axolotl videos, like care for them, basics, things like that I mentioned in the previous video. But that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little bell if you ever want to be notified when I post a video. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next one.